Well, so my name is Daniel Nilsson, and I am from Denmark. I came to Edinburgh University to study human rights law at the Edinburgh Law School. The human rights program at the law school appealed to me because it's a very interdisciplinary law program. So, and this idea that you can mix and match, maybe not as much as the general international law program at Edinburgh, but in human rights, you can still pick and choose from other disciplines. You can even reach into some of the political science subjects and get that, but still get that law experience and still get to learn the legal methodologies, and so that a law school you would expect from a law school. And of course, also the professors that were leading the courses, professors like Macau Smith and also Christine Bell stand out a lot when you, as an applicant, look at what's on offer in the human rights program. What I really like about the program of human rights law specifically is that there's this built-in work-based placement that allows you to see the practical side of the human rights law, how it's carried out, the work of not only the purely legal work, but also the work of NGOs in the field of human rights law. You both get the practical perspective, but you also get to have the academic process of actually writing a dissertation. I'm an active guy on the side of studying. So, and my partner and I just loved all the beautiful spots in the city, all the amazing walks and runs that you can take. Blackford Hill, Craig Lockhart Hill, Corstofan Hill, and I hope I pronounced those right. But we loved walks to all of those places and also runs to all of those places. It's just fantastic. So lots of greenery and stuff. That was a really nice way to have breaks on the side of the university. And during these times where you didn't get a lot of outside socializing anyway, it was a really good way to also get out of the house and stuff in the times of COVID-19. Of course, like writing the dissertation, especially the dissertation, also the other exams that you write from home or the other papers, it was also a big challenge. For example, when COVID finally hit, and we dodged a bullet in the first semester, but second semester it really slowed down. Then we really missed the main library, especially during second semester and during the dissertation writing period. But luckily, I had some independent study skills from my previous degree, and again, the practice that we build up during the degree through mock exams and other things really help you stay disciplined. And then, of course, we have, Edinburgh has great faculty that checks in, and there was a system put in place for us to feel supported and know that we have one another. And of course, you form bonds as well that then you move online, like social bonds with your classmates and things. So we also supported one another. I think, it's something that many people go through regardless of the school. Again, it's a big social experiment, and it's the first time any of us are doing this. So, but the university really helped. I've always been really interested in policy and the political process on an international level. So my plan is in February, I'm going to start a half-year internship, paid internship at the UN City here in Copenhagen.